Good morning everyone, myself Sandeep Pake, Assistant Professor in Commerce. Now I am going to present a lecture on the topic admission of a partner. In this video we shall work out problem number 25. This question already appeared in the examination which carries 12 marks. Please see problem number 25. The following is the balance sheet of M, N and O who are equal partners as on 1st April 2020. Assets, bank, debtors, stock, furniture, buildings given. Liabilities, bills payable, creditors, capital of M and O given. Next. They agree to admit P as their new partner on the above date and give him a fourth share in profits on the following terms. Fourth shares means 1/4. Number 1, he should bring rupees 24,000 for goodwill and rupees 36,000 for capital. Number 2, 1/2 of goodwill is to be withdrawn by old partner. Number 3, the stock and furniture are to be depreciated by 10%. Number 4, the provision of 5% on debtors is to be created for doubtful debts. Number 5, building is to be valued at rupees 60,000. Number 6, a liability of rupees 2,760 is to be created for outstanding repairs bills. Number 7, the value of all assets and liabilities other than cash are not to be altered. Cash ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬದಲಾಯಿಸಬಾರದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಓಕೆ ಅದೇ ಐಟಮ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ we have to prepare which account? Memorandum revaluation account. Please see, prepare necessary ledger accounts and opening balance sheet of the new firm. Okay, necessary ledger account means memorandum revaluation account and partners capital accounts. Sometime you may also prepare cash account. Understand? Please see solution. In the middle of the page, write down memorandum revaluation account. Understand? Under memorandum revaluation account, it consists of two parts. First part is same as revaluation account. Understand? Revaluation profit transferred to old partners capital account according to their old profit sharing ratio. Understand? Yes. Please see items relating to revaluation account. Okay, point number 3, stock and furniture are to be depreciated by 10%. Stock 22,800 given, furniture 4,800 given. Write down depreciated. Okay, depreciation, it comes on debit side of memorandum revaluation account. Write down to stock 22,800 into 10%. How much? 2,280. To furniture 4,800 into 10%. 480. Number 3 over. Number 4, a provision of 5% on debtor is to be created for doubtful debts to RBD. Debtors given the problem, how much? 21,600. 21,600 into 5%. How much? 1,080. 1,080. Completed. Next. Number 4 over. Number 5, building is to be valued at rupees 60,000. Please see building value given in the balance sheet 39,000. Now its value 60,000. Okay, we can see appreciation in building recorded on credit side. Write down by building 60,000 given the adjustment minus amount given in the balance sheet. 60,000 minus 39,000. How much? 21,000 appreciation. Okay. Next, number 5 over. Number 6, please see a liability of rupees 2,760 is to be created for outstanding repairs bills. Okay, outstanding repairs bills ಇದೆ. Okay, liability create ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. If liability created, it will appear on debit side of memorandum revaluation account. Write down 2 outstanding repairs bills 2760. Okay, we recorded all things relating to memorandum revaluation account. Leave 4 lines, find out 4 or 5 lines, find out which side shows more balance. Okay, credit side shows more balance 21,000. Write it. Next, write down in debit side 21,000. 21,000 minus 2,280 minus 480 minus 1,080 minus 2,760. How much? 14,400. 21,000 minus 2,280 minus 480 minus 1,080 minus 2,760. How much? 14,400. Okay, this is revaluation profit transferred to old partners capital account. Okay, according to their old ratio, they share profit or loss equally. Okay, write down 2 old partners capital account 14,400. There are 3 partners in the problem. Old partners. MNO. Okay, 1:1:1 ratio. How much? 4,800 each. Understand? 14,400 into 1/3. Completed. Next, first part over. Okay, next we have to record transaction in second part. Okay, memorandum revaluation account debit side ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಅದೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ buy stock account 2,280, buy furniture account 480, buy RBD 1,080, buy outstanding repairs bills 2,760. Understand? Next, memorandum revaluation account first part credit side. Please see, buy building 1 item recorded. Okay, post it to debit side. Write down after the total. 2 building 21,000. Completed. Leave 5 lines, 5 to 6 lines. Which side shows more balance? Yes, debit side shows more balance. 21,000. Post it to credit side. 21,000. Difference 21,000 minus 2,280 minus 480 minus 1,080 minus 2,760. How much? 14,400. This 14,400 divided among all partners according to new ratio. Understand? In this problem, old ratio given with share of new partner 1/4 given. If only 2 information given, then old ratio becomes new ratio. Understand? New ratio 1:1:1:1. Okay, write down by all partners capital account. Write in bracket 14,400 in the ratio of 1:1:1:1. Write down partner's name MNOP 14,400 into 1/4. Okay, 3,600 each. 3,600, 3,600, 3,600. Okay, memorandum revaluation loss transferred to all partners capital account. Memorandum revaluation loss transferred to all partners capital account. Next, prepare partners capital account. Partners capital account. In the middle of the page, write down partners capital account. Draw necessary columns on both the sides. Write partner's name in amounts column MNOP. Okay. Yes, please see balance sheet given in the problem. Capital of old partners Write it down. By balance brought down, M column write down 32,000, N column write down 24,000, O column write down 16,000. Reserves given in the problem, no reserves available. Okay. Next, profit and loss account balance given, no balance available. Next, please see adjustment. Number 1, he should bring rupees 24,000 for goodwill and rupees 36,000 for capital. New partner Mr. P brings cash towards goodwill and capital. Okay. Entry bank or bank account debtor to new partner capital account. Write it in credit side. By bank account, write it in bracket capital plus goodwill. How much amount? 24,000 plus 36,000. Total 60,000. 24,000 plus 36,000. Total 60,000. Write it in P column. Okay. Yes. Next. Please see. Number 2. 1/2 means half of goodwill is to be withdrawn by old partner. Before withdrawal of goodwill, you have to adjust goodwill to old partner's capital account. Okay. Goodwill is distributed among old partners. Okay. Understand? When goodwill distributed among old partners, entry new partner's capital account debtor to old partner's capital account. New partner P. First of all, we shall record this one on debit side. Please see entry P's capital account debtor to M's capital account to N's capital account to O's capital account. Goodwill amount, how much? Given in the problem, 24,000. Okay, 24,000. 24,000 distributed among old partner according to their sacrifice ratio. In this problem, old ratio becomes sacrifice ratio. Okay, 24,000 into 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 1 into 1 by 3. Okay, how much? 8,000 each. Okay, 24,000 into 1 by 3 each. Okay, 8,000, 8,000, 8,000 in P's column. Okay, next, pass reverse entry. Pass reverse entry on credit side. Write down by P's account, by P's capital account, by P's capital account. You have to record amount in old partner's capital account. Goodwill 24,000 in the ratio of 1:1:1. 8,000, 8,000, 8,000. Okay. MNO column. Completed. Next. Half of the goodwill withdrawn by the old partner in number 2, point number 2. Please see. Okay. Yes, when goodwill withdrawn by the old partner, entry old partner's capital account debtor to cash or bank account. Write down to bank account. Half of goodwill withdrawn. Half means how much? 8,000. Half means how much? Please see credit side. Okay, credit side ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀರ 8,000, 8,000, 8,000. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಫ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ? 4,000 ಈಚ್. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ? ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ. To bank account 4,000, 4,000, 4,000. Half goodwill withdrawn. Understand? Next, treatment of goodwill over. Next, any other item to be recorded. Number 1 over, 2 over, 3 completed, 4 over, 5 over, 6 over. Next, prepare. Next, please see memorandum revaluation account. Debit side. To old partners capital account. Post it. By memorandum revaluation account. M column write down 4,800. N column write down 4,800. O column write down 4,800. Next, memorandum revaluation account. Please see credit side. By all partners capital account. Okay. Yes. ಮೆಮೊರಾಂಡಮ್ ರಿವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಟು ಮೆಮೊರಾಂಡಮ್ ರಿವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. M column write down 3600, N column 3600, O column 3600 and P's column 3600. Okay, we recorded all things. Leave one line, find out which side shows more balance. Credit side shows more balance. M column 44,800, N column 36,800, O column totally 28,800, P's column 60,000. Okay, write it in debit side. M column 44,800, N 36,800, O 28,800, P 60,000. Okay, total it in M column. Balance it 44,800 minus 4,000 minus 3,600. How much? 37,200. Next, O N column. 36,800 minus 4,000 minus 3,600. 29,200. Next, O column. 28,800 minus 4,000 minus 3,600. How much? 21,200. Next, P's column. 60,000 minus 8,000 minus 8,000 minus 8,000 minus 3,600. How much? 32,400. Okay, write as two balance carried down. Next, transfer to credit side. After total, write down buy balance brought down 37,200, 29,200, 21,200, 32,400. Okay, next prepare balance sheet. First of all, write down partner's name M, N, O and P. Okay, next write down heading balance sheet as on 1st April 2020. Okay, draw 4 columns. Write down liabilities rupees, assets rupees. Understand? Okay, first write down current assets, next investment, next fixed assets. Okay, current assets given in the column. Okay, bank balance kottidare. Please see point number 7. The value of all assets and liabilities other than cash are not to be altered. Cash or bank balance ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಬದಲಾಯಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಲ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಡಿಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್. Okay, balance given in the balance sheet 2,400. Next, please see partners capital account. Credit side buy bank account recorded. Yes, 60,000. Add ಮಾಡಿ plus 60,000. Next, partners capital account debit side ನೋಡಿ 2 bank account ಅನ್ನು entry ಮಾಡಿದರೆ. Yes, 4,000 plus 4,000, 4 plus 4,000. Okay, understand? If a bank account credited in partners capital account, it means what? Cash goes out from the bank. Understand? ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನಿಂದ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ minus 12,000, 4,000 into 3. Okay, 12,000. Deduct it. How much? 50,400. That is cash at bank after all adjustment. Okay. Next, debtors write down 21,600. Stock write down 22,800. Furniture 4,800. Buildings 39,000. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ liability side write down bills payable 6,600. Creditors 12,000. Capital closing balance of capital recorded. Okay, yes, write down. Okay, buy balance brought down ಏನು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Okay, liabilities. Okay, bills payable recorded, creditors recorded. Capital M 37,200. Write down. N 29,200. O 21,200. P 32,400. Totally amount column 1,20,000. Total 1,20,000 in amount column. Balance sheet, asset side 50,400 plus 21,600 plus 22,800 plus 4,800 plus 39,000. How much? 1,38,600. Liabilities 6,600 plus 12,000 plus 1,20,000. How much? 1,38,600. These are some information relating to problem number 25. Thank you.